Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is the face behind the hands. My name is Colleen Zani, aka Crafty Mumma BowTutuful. The change of the camera angle today is not actually meant for a face reveal, but more of an unboxing video today. Well, an unpacking video, let's say, because it's actually in a packet, but that don't quite sound right, so we'll call it an unboxing video anyway. Basically, I've been following this shop, the Polka Dotted Peach. I've been following them on Instagram for around a month now. I found them on there and their fabrics are stunning. And they did a competition and they've got another one running now actually, so head over to their Instagram to enter. And I just saw their fabrics and I was like, oh, I need to get my hands on some of this fabrics. It's just gorgeous, I love it. And it is exclusive to the shop. They print it themselves, so you won't find this anywhere else, only this shop. And they kindly agreed to ship me some, so I'm so excited. This come in the post today. It's in this gorgeous polka dotted bag with their sticker and logo on the front, the Polka Dotted Peach. And I haven't opened it yet. I've been dying to open it, but I wanted to do it with you guys watching, so you can see just how stunning this fabric is. So I'm just gonna open this bag and show you what we've got inside. Oh my god. This is gorgeous. I'll just show you my first glance, what you can see when you open the bag. Look at that gorgeous embossed lace fabric. This is the one I saw when I first liked the page and I was like, I need this fabric. It is stunning. There's a little thank you sticker on the back. I'll just get this open. These are so gorgeous. We've got a little card and inside it reads, "Hi Colleen, thank you for showing our shop some love. I hope you love these as much as we do. Jordan at the Polka Dotted Peach." That's so sweet. And we've got a little bag and it's got all the little colour samples in there. There's some beautiful colours, some gorgeous colours in there. And we've also got included a free keychain, which is like a lip gloss holder. It's a free little gift in there. So basically you can just stick the sides down and then you pop your preferred lip gloss or chapstick in there and then you can take that with you everywhere you go. So thank you for that, guys. That's so cute. And the fabric itself. Just look at that print. It's got a slightly textured feel, like embossed. Don't know if you can see that. It's absolutely gorgeous. And we've got the pink and this gorgeous sort of teal green. I don't know what you'd call that, like a teal colour. And with each piece there is a matching leatherette, plain leatherette. I can't wait to get making with these. They are absolutely stunning. The thickness is brilliant. There'll be no need to add any extra backing or anything like that. It's a gorgeous thickness and a nice sturdy fabric. So yeah, these fabrics in the flesh are exactly as I imagined from the pictures. They are gorgeous. They feel lovely, they look stunning. And I'll just show you some of these little samples in here, the colours. So they've got like brown, they've got blacks, they've got a gorgeous mint coloured glitter. They've got a gorgeous sort of holographic gold, baby pink, lilacs, the sky blue, this gorgeous lime green. An orange, this would be great for the fall season and Halloween. and of course red, which would be great for Christmas, or red. My little girl used to wear red in her last school, so you could use this in school hair bows, Christmas, all year round. Gorgeous colours. So I will link the Polka Dotted Peach website in my description below this video. I will also link their Instagram and Facebook if you want to give them a follow. They also do this other stunning fabric in these kind of colours as well, but that's like a multicoloured swirl fabric. You just have to see it. It's gorgeous. It's like nothing I've ever seen anywhere else. So yeah, go and check them out. Over the next week I will be featuring these fabrics in my videos, in my tutorials, so keep an eye out for them. If you haven't already, press the link that will come up on the screen now to subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell down below to turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my videos as I upload them. And yeah, I look forward to using these in my next videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.